After my old garden died from last winter, I decided to set it on fire.
Hello Studio Squad, welcome to Kiata Studio. In this video, I plan on taking all of my dead garden plants and setting them on fire. Yes, that's correct. I said setting them on fire. At least that's the plan. We'll see what happens.
Here are a few video clips of some food that I've grown in my garden. From one seed, I get enough food to last an entire season. Here are some before and after video clips of the plants in my garden. I love growing my own food. Many times I give food away to other households because I harvest so much and I don't want it to go to waste. The first plant that I am starting with is the Casper pumpkin plant. This second one is the mosquito plant. This next one is the jackfruit plant. This is the cherry tomato plant. I will remove the weeds before I replant. These next couple of buckets along the wall had the spring squash in them. The last two plants are bell pepper plants. Last season, I grew both white and green bell peppers. After burning these plants inside of my fire pit, I plan on collecting the ashes and creating an ash tea. Bell peppers prefer a more acidic soil with a pH between 6 and 7. Therefore, I'm not going to use the ash tea in my bell pepper plants. A couple of the beneficial elements of ash tea is potassium and calcium. It is best used on alkaline loving plants such as beans, peas, and carrots. Here is a little pile of debris from the dried plants. I only used one fire starter. These are the main parts that I use of the plants, but it was so many that I had to break it down. This is what it looks like after I broke it down. I'm about to use my grill lighter to start the fire.
thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video, watch as many times as you want, and subscribe to Kiata Studio on YouTube if you haven't yet. You'll see me in my next video. Goodbye.